Hello students, today I will discuss something about complex numbers. What is real number and what is imaginary number. Okay, so all of you know real numbers. I will discuss imaginary number, that is iota. See, directly if you say iota is root minus 1, how this came I will discuss. Okay, I will take three graphs: y equals x square, y equal x square plus 1, and y equals x square minus 1. So here I am teaching about iota. What is iota? How it came? Iota. So I took three graphs: y equal x square, y equals x square plus 1, and last one is y equal x square minus 1. I have three graphs. So if you draw this like y equal x square, if x is real in all, x belongs to real. So x is real. If you draw a square of any real number, I will write here, you can also square of any real number is always greater or equal to 0. If the number is 0, then the square is 0, and if number is positive, then square is always positive. So y equal x square, here you can write y equal x square, so it is y equal x square. Y equal x square minus 1. See, this graph have two roots. If you put here y as 0, you will get x square minus 1 as 0. Then x is plus minus 1. So the graph cuts x-axis at 1, 0 and minus 1, 0. So graph have two roots, 1, 0 and minus 1, 0. So here if you draw graph, this is like this. Minus 1, 0. And the middle one is y equal x square plus 1. Okay student, y equal x square plus 1. See, square of any real number is greater than or equals to 0. It is 0 or more than 0. If you put here 0, you will get 1. And other than 0 means anything either that is negative or that is positive. If you put here, so you will get more than 0. More than 0 plus 1 is greater than or equals to 1. So this y have minimum value 1. So graph is above the x-axis like this. And this point is when x is 0, this point is x is 0, then it is 1. So here three cases are there. One is y equal x square. Graph touches the x-axis at this point. Graph cuts the x-axis at 2 points. It is minus 1, 0 and 0, 1. And third one, that middle one, y equal x square plus 1. So minimum value is 1. If you put x as 0, you will get 1. And other than the 0, if you put anything, you will get 0 or more than 0. So it is greater or equals 1. So it is y equal x square plus 1. So for iota, we take this. How iota came? That is the question. I will write here how iota came. कैसे आया? How iota came? Okay, how iota came? We will discuss this. Y equal x square plus 1. See the graph like this. Okay, so this graph is above the x-axis. 1 unit away from that, above. Touches, cuts. So sometime in questions, if x square plus 1 is 0, that is only imagination. X square plus 1 can't be 0. Here y equals 0, so you will get x as 0. Here if y is 0, then it is x as plus minus 1. But in this case, if you put y as 0, that is practically not possible, or in real algebra it is not possible. So if you put x square plus 1, 0, you will get x square as minus 1. X square as minus 1. So x as square root of minus 1. That is only a solving process. In real algebra, it does not exist because x square plus 1 can't be 0. So x square is minus 1, x is root minus 1, and it is called iota. So it is defined as iota as root minus 1. So x as iota, root minus 1. Whenever we get anything inside the under root like this, like root minus 25, so you can write this as 25 into minus 1. Square root of 25 is 5 and root minus 1 is 5 iota. So that is the concept of iota. So iota, and iota is the root of this. Okay, so x means root minus 1. Iota is root of that. So you can say I square plus 1 is 0. It is I square equals minus 1. Okay, and now if I square is minus 1, you can easily calculate I cube. I square into I, so it is minus iota, or also I raised to 4. I raised to 4. Okay students, I raised to 4. So it is I square is square. Minus 1 square is plus 1. So this is the case in which the values of iota are, iota is root minus 1 and it is minus 1, I cube is minus I, and I4 is 1, and if you want 1 upon iota, so you can write 1 as I4 upon iota, so that is I cube, and we calculated that is I cube as minus I. So you have to remember this. What is iota? Iota is root minus 1. Iota, I write here, iota is root minus 1. I square is minus 1. I cube is minus iota. I4 is plus 1, and 1 upon iota is minus iota. So these 5 cases are useful for problem solving. Okay students, so this is very helpful for solving equations in which roots are imaginary. So sometimes roots are real, sometimes roots are real and equal, sometimes roots are real and distinct, but sometimes discriminant of quadratic is negative. So we will solve that quadratic by iota concept. So that value is iota root minus 1. So whenever inside the under root, if negative quantity is there, you can write like this, 25 into minus 1, and it is 5 iota. So that is the very beginning of complex number, and I explained in this short video what is iota. Okay, and you know real numbers. If you not know, then I will explain that in next video. What is real number, what is natural numbers, what is whole number, what is prime, what is even, what is odd, what is composite number. Okay student, so if you feel that my work is knowledgeable and understandable, then you can like my channel that written class made easy. Okay, so you can write my this channel name, and you can like, subscribe and share this channel, and you will get quality material of mathematics for any level. Okay, so for higher study also I will provide some mathematics videos, but from your side I want that you will subscribe this channel, so I will get the good quality material, and that is very easily I will explain in that. So please subscribe, please subscribe this Class Made Easy YouTube channel. Thank you students.